Hi, I'm Nate Mandelko, and I'm a product manager at Advanced Energy, and today we're going to do an unboxing video of our CoolX1800. Our CoolX series is a configurable power supply that's a part of a family that ranges from a 600 watt up to a 3000 watt. So first we're going to start with the chassis. All configurable power supplies really operate the same way. They have a chassis that does the AC to DC conversion, and then you populate it with a number of modules to create the power supply that meets your needs. We will start with removing the cover. So once we have the cover removed, we have 6 module slots that we can populate with various different modules. For the CoolX line, we have 5 single slot modules coming in 5 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volts. We also have high power modules that take up 3 slot locations, and those come in a 24 volt and 48 volt. And we also offer dual output modules, which will give you a maximum of 12 outputs. So let's populate some modules just to show how easy this is. First we'll remove the screws from the modules. The modules simply plug in from the top into the 2 boards that you have inside of here. You can populate with any mix of modules. And one key feature of these modules is that they are all floating. So you can create multiple different voltages by either putting these in series in parallel to get either a higher voltage or a higher current output. So really as easy as that, you can create your own semi-custom configurable power supplies